right, we have our heat press set to 300. Here is our transfer paper with the NoWeed foil. I'm going to put it down where, try to get it as straight as I can just by eyeballing it. And I'm going to use a release paper and press it for 10 to 15 seconds. And to take this paper off, this is a worn peel. So we're just going to grab it up here and peel it right off. I put a little tea towel below here just to kind of protect all my stuff down there. Okay, then we're going to put the NoWeed foil on top. It's going to adhere to the black letters, and the colors are going to be going across. So I'm going to put it right there, and this is going to be a cold peel. All right, I cut it pretty much to size, and again, I'm going to use a release paper to cover the rest of my little bag. And this is just a 10-second. And that goes shiny side up, of course, so you can see the pretty colors in the foil. Okay, that's 10 seconds. And as I said, this is a cold peel. So I'm using my cooling block to make sure we cool off this foil before we pull it off. All right, that's pretty cool. And there we go, little Dylan's birthday gift. Thanks, everyone. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials.